What's up, guys? Chief Beast, aka Noah, back today bringing another video. This time we're doing my Grailed pickups for April. We only have one pickup for the month of April, and then we have a few other pickups from other places throughout the month. So nothing crazy, and I knew I wasn't going to pick up anything for the rest of April since there's only going to be like 3 days left when this video goes up. So there's nothing else coming in, so I just was like, might as well do the video now, and then hopefully I'll be picking up stuff for May. Right, May's the next month. So other than that, let's get right into it. I only got one pickup, like I just said, from Grailed this month. It's actually pretty decent, and they kind of bought it in anticipation of getting the court purples, which I just got, which is in a few videos ago now, I think. Only a few videos ago. So if you want to check out that unboxing, link will be in the description and the eye. But I bought this really hoping I was going to get the court purples. I can't say court for some reason. And I was like, I need something that'll match it, and slightly a fan. I'm not like the biggest fan ever, so don't be, if anyone's like, wow, you're a Ravens fan, I'm like, no, not really. I just kind of like the shirt. It looked kind of cool, and for some reason it had like 50 likes on Grailed and no one was buying it, and I kind of liked it, so I bought it. I do kind of like the Ravens. Last year I did have Lamar Jackson on my fantasy team. He carried me pretty far, and then we choked in the playoffs because the rest of my team wasn't very good. So other than that, and I did like Ray Lewis back in the day, but other than that, I'm not the biggest Ravens fan. So don't be like, oh, you're a Ravens fan, because it's not that big of a deal. But it's a tie-dye. It's really just pretty simple. It's a tie-dye black and purple Ravens shirt, just giant, says Baltimore Ravens with their logo on it, and it's the black and purple tie-dye. I thought it was pretty cool. I think it looks good, and then I didn't own anything that was purple to match the court purples, so I was pretty happy just to get something. And I bought this probably like a week before they even came out, and I didn't know if I was going to be getting them. I just really hoped I was, so I was like, let's just get it. I was going to sit on this and like wait in Grailed, but it had a ton of people, and then it dropped in price one day, so I was like, let me make an offer, and I got accepted. So then I was like, well, now I have to get the court purples because I don't know what else I would wear this for, and since I'm not like the biggest Ravens fan, it doesn't matter if I own it. So people around will probably care, but I don't really care. It's just an NFL team, and I like college football more anyway. So that was my one pickup from Grailed. It's the tie-dye Raven shirt, really just to match the court purples. I know I said that a few times, but that's really the main reason I got it. So there's that. I actually really like it, so I plan on wearing that eventually. Sadly, it's going to be warm, so I don't really know when I'm going to be pulling out the court purples and that shirt together. Maybe towards the end of football season if it ever comes back. But other than that, let's get into the other pickups. So next pickup, actually, we're just going to show it off real quick. Now, I'm not going to do the whole unboxing again. Is this Chinatown Market mystery box. They just like copy, like rip off designs. I don't really know how they get away with it, but a lot of the stuff I think is original. But I know from what they were advertising for the boxes, it was like either stuff that hasn't been released yet, previous stuff that you can't get anymore, or a bunch of other stuff. So but yeah, so if you guys want to go check that out, there's a video on that, and that's my biggest pickup really for the month of April. So the next pickups, these are kind of something that I just felt like were a little bit of necessity, especially we getting the Yeezys. I didn't really have any Adidas shorts. I have Nike shorts, but don't really have Adidas shorts, and I just kind of felt that I should buy some. So I just bought these ones. I don't even know the name, haven't worn them yet. Let's see. Doesn't say. They're just these white pair of shorts. They're kind of like sweatpants shorts. They're pretty nice. I thought they'd be fine to wear with the cloud whites or the zebras. And then I bought these other ones. I kind of feel like it might be swim trunks, but I'm not really sure. They feel like shorts, but they also might be swim trunks. They're just these. I've worn them a few times actually. They just have a giant Adidas logo on the side of the leg. And other than that, I mean, they're really nothing special. They're just kind of things I picked up because I needed some pair of shorts to go with some of my Adidas shoes, because I have Nike shoes. I just didn't have Adidas because I haven't really been fully into Adidas until probably this year, really. And so now I have a ton. Last pickup, I'm not actually going to unbox it because I bought the wrong size, so I'm probably just going to sell it. I'll show you the actual picture on the screen probably right now, but it is a Chinatown Market. It's a Dunking Bear, It's still in the packaging. It's this Dunking Bear for Chicago. I thought it would actually sell out, but it didn't really sell out, and don't really know how to wear it. If I had like Chicago's, maybe I would wear it, but I don't. So like, I don't have Chicago ones. I don't really have any red shoes anyways, so there's really no reason for me to wear it. It's just black and red. You guys saw it on the screen. It's not a bad looking shirt. They made a bunch of other ones for a bunch of other cities. It's just, I don't really care too much about Chicago. Like, I've been there I think twice in my life. It's a cool city, just none of their sports teams are my favorites. I actually hate the Blackhawks. The hockey team they're like my second least favorite hockey team, but that doesn't matter because that has nothing to do with the basketball shirt. So yeah, that was my last really pickup for the month, especially from Chinatown Market. I picked up another thing I'm probably going to be wearing in a video at some point maybe. I picked up, I'm just going to say it because I'm not going to unbox it. I have 2 masks coming from Chinatown Market. I actually don't have any masks to be wearing out in public, so I try to keep my distance and all that kind of stuff. So that's really the last pickup I got for the month, and hopefully in May I will have a few more pickups, but we'll see with the whole craziness that's going on in the world. So yeah, that's all my pickups for the month. The only one from Grailed was the Baltimore Ravens shirt. The rest I kind of just picked up from a bunch of other places. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.